With Wingtra, you're not only choosing a drone, you're choosing an end-to-end surveying solution. One aircraft, a user-friendly software, and multiple payloads, each specifically designed for a certain type of survey work. In this video, we will help you understand which of our RGB payloads you should pick for which use case. Let's start with the foundation. All the payloads, they run on the same WingtraRAY platform. This means that you will benefit of the industry-leading flight speed, of an efficient end-to-end workflow, compliance with operations over people, and blue clearance, which means that you can take on all the projects that you will face. The thing that changes from job to job is the sensor that you mount to capture your insights. First, the MAP61. This is a 61 megapixel camera in an oblique configuration that is optimized for efficiency and for 3D mapping at scale. It offers you to do 800 acres per field hour, including the setup time and a flight on 400 feet and 70% side overlap. With the 3D setting engaged, it allows you to capture also vertical facades very efficiently. So while other solutions require a crosshatch flight, with this solution, you can capture your area in a single grid. So you can see why this payload is optimal for urban planning, city mapping, for example, for asset management, and for disaster mapping at scale. So whenever it's about efficiency or 3D context, MAP61 is your choice. Next, let's look at Survey 61. Here we have a 61 megapixel nadir payload that is optimized for highest quality photogrammetry and earthworks use cases. The Survey 61 is the highest accuracy payload in our portfolio with an absolute accuracy of 1/10 of a foot without the need of ground control points. And it offers a field productivity of 400 acres or 4 linear miles per hour spent in the field. When we talk about field productivity, we include everything, including setup, a couple of checkpoints, as well as your flight on 400 feet with 70% overlap. Now, since you cut the time of doing ground control points around the full site, this means that you speed up your time by factor 6 compared to quadcopter flights. So this overall makes this the perfect choice for repeatable stockpile measurements, cut and fill reports, or topographic surveys. Let's move on to the Survey 24. This solution with a 24 megapixel camera offers a more accessible price point. It features the same use cases like the Survey 61, but in order to achieve the 1/10 of a foot of absolute accuracy, you need to use ground control points. This means that it's less productive out there in the field, but also your upfront investment will be 10x lower than with the Survey 61. Finally, Inspect. Inspect is our highest resolution payload, optimized and customized 4mm level inspections. It allows you to detect cracks and pavement conditions with this level of detail that an AI algorithm requires. Because it empowers you to capture 100 acres per field hour, it's the most efficient way to inspect runways, rail, or road. So now you know, if you need highest efficiency or 3D context, MAP61 is your solution. If you require the highest accuracy in your photogrammetry, Survey 61 will be your choice. And if a more affordable price point is more relevant for you than productivity, Survey 24 will be your perfect entry point. Finally, if you need the inspections and go into millimeter level resolution, Inspect will be your solution. A quick side note, the two payloads to the side, LIDAR and RedEdge-P, are specialty payloads. You can also learn more about these in separate resources. LIDAR mostly optimized for doing topographic surveying below vegetation, and the RedEdge-P being for your precision farming and environmental research use cases. The key point is this: you don't need a new drone for the different jobs. If you need the versatility, you simply swap out a payload on WingtraRAY in seconds. It's one platform, it's one easy to use, intuitive and efficient workflow. And if you still have questions about which payload to choose, make sure to reach out. We are happy to help you with your choice.